Here's a quick tutorial on how to remove and install a bracelet on a watch with pierced lugs or lug holes. It's pretty simple, and all you need is a spring bar tool, a soft place to work, and some tape. So step 1, and this is really just a best practice, but go ahead and tape the underside of the lugs to prevent any scratching. Then, hold the watch with the crystal facing down between your thumb and your forefinger. Go ahead and place the spring bar tool in the lug hole and gently depress the spring bar while simultaneously applying pressure to the end link with your forefinger. You should feel the spring bar come free from the lug hole. Now, while maintaining pressure on the end link, repeat this process on the other side of the spring bar. Once the spring bar has been pressed, the bracelet should pop out from between the lugs. Be careful that the spring bar doesn't go flying off when you remove the bracelet. Then, go ahead and repeat this on the other side of the watch. And as a note, pay attention to the direction of the bracelet and clasp for when you reinstall. Often, the logo on the clasp will be right side up if you were to look at it on your wrist. To reinstall the bracelet, thread the spring bar into the end link. Then hold the watch head between your thumb and your forefinger, just like when you removed the bracelet, and place the end link in between the lugs. Then using the tool, press one side of the spring bar into the hole. We recommend using the forked tip of the spring bar for this. Now, while applying pressure with your thumb to keep the end link in place, use the forked tip to depress the other end of the spring bar into the lug hole until it clicks into place. If you don't feel it click into the hole, gently wiggle the end link until you do. Repeat on the other side of the watch, and you're finished. A simple task that's beneficial in general watch maintenance, and it's really necessary if you ever want to change straps. If you enjoy this video and want to see more content like this, go ahead and click the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.